Hey everybody, Randy here from Granite State Fitness, and we've made it to week 4. This workout is going to be a little bit different than the ones that we've done, and only because it's in 2 parts, all right? So this is 4.1a and 4.1b, also known as 7th generation. For the equipped version of this workout, 4.1a, we're going to do what's called a beep test or a death by workout, all right? So what that means is that the clock is going to be set for every minute on the minute to beep, and then on that minute, you're going to perform 1 bear complex, and I'll go over that in a second, and then 1 burpee over the bar, all right? So every minute, you're going to do 1 and 1. On the next minute, you're going to do 2 bear complexes, 2 burpees over the bar. Minute 3, you're going to do 3 bear complexes, 3 burpees over the bar, so on and so forth. So basically, this workout goes as long as possible. So if you're just the fastest person on the planet, if you could be on minute 100 and you're going to do 100 bear complexes and 100 burpees over the bar. The way that this part of the workout ends is when you have that minute window to complete those movements, and you cannot complete the movements fully by the end of that minute, right? So if you're on minute 7 or 8, say minute 8, and you get 8 bear complexes and 5 burpees, then before the next minute starts, then that is the end of that workout for you. That is your score is 7 rounds plus the 8 bear complexes and however many burpees you did. Once that part of the workout is over, you're going to rest for 3 minutes. Then what we're going to do is however many rounds we completed, right? So if you were on the round of 8, that means that the round of 7 was the last full round you completed. You're going to do 3 rounds of that as fast as possible, right? So that means if you're on that round of 7, you're going to do 7 bear complexes and 7 burpees, 3 rounds as fast as possible. So that's going to be 2 different scores. One is going to be how many rounds that we completed, and rounds and reps, and then the second one is the last full set of rounds 3 times as fast as possible. So one is going to be rounds and reps, the other score is going to be time, all right? Now, if we happen to come across 2 athletes that get the same amount of rounds and reps done, and they hit the same amount of time exactly for those rounds and reps, the tie break between those 2 athletes is going to be how fast you completed the first part of this, right? So if we get to that round we're on that round of 8, and somebody gets to, say, 7 burpees, and the other person only does 6 before that time ends, then that means that the person that completed more reps on that one will win that tiebreak time. So it's back up, my apologies. It's not the time, it's however many reps you got into the next one, right? So the bear complex it's a complex, meaning it's going to be a series of movements all kind of rolled into one. It's going to be a power clean into a front squat, into a push press, into a back squat, into another push press, all right? So we're going to clean that bar up. We're going to squat all the way down with it, come back up, get it up overhead, catch it on the back, squat again, come back up, press it overhead, and catch it in that front rack. Guys, you're going to be doing 75-pound barbells. Ladies, you're going to be doing 55-pound barbells as far as RX equipped goes. If we're doing this unequipped, then you're going to be doing basically the same movements, but we're just holding 2-gallon jugs of water. So you're still going to clean up into that position, front squat it, push press it. You're going to front squat again because we're not really back squatting with the gallons of water, and then you're going to push press again too. So all of that's going to be on the standard sheet as well. So what do I need? Again, men, you just need the 75-pound barbell. Ladies, you need the 55-pound barbell. Unequipped, you just need 2 gallons of water. If we're going to be doing this scaled, then an empty barbell is going to be your first scale for the men and the women equipped. And then if that's a little bit too much, we can go to using a dumbbell, and I have a video on that as well too. Scaled unequipped, what we're going to be doing is just eliminating one of the gallons of water. So that's it. GSFOQ 4.1a and 4.1b. If you have any questions, reach out. As always, make sure that you're supporting your local businesses. Reach out to your friends and family. Let them know that we're trying to raise money and raise awareness for local businesses. So if they have the ability to buy gift cards or order out, takeout, or pick up or delivery, please do so. There's plenty of small businesses in the area that would love your business. So that's that, and stay tuned for 4.2 and 4.3.